Hey guys, so today I'm here and I got my July Ipsy Unbagging. It's been a while since I've done one of these because I finally re-signed back up. This month's theme was a very cute tropical theme. I love the bag. I'm definitely gonna, as soon as I'm done with this, I'm using it because it is so cute. Putting it right in my purse because it's adorable. First things first, we got a Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter in Moon Dust. I find it funny because I did a whole did a Ciate London haul, as you guys can probably see in the back of me, like 2 weeks ago, and I already got this exact same thing, so I'm not going to open this, but I got it already, so it's beautiful, but I'm going to give this to a friend, but it is really beautiful, I can already answer that. So July is Dive In, pretty, okay, and yeah, Ciate London highlighter and Moon Dust. Alright, so next is the Luxie Beauty Brush. It's the 1010 small contour brush. I absolutely love Luxie brushes. I love getting brushes and anything, to be honest, because I love brushes, as we can tell. I love brushes. I don't think you can ever have enough. I like the shape of this one. I like how it has a nice little bend in there. I love brushes for, like, when it comes to like face blending brushes. I love brushes like that. I'll definitely use this. Next is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I actually used to have this and use it. I actually really like it, so definitely happy to have this. When I first signed up, it let me pick an item, and there's a few options, and I definitely picked this. I think it's worth it. I love the way it just like lifts up your lashes, and this is like, because of the way the shape is, it literally fits my eye perfectly. At least my eye, it fits perfectly, so really love this. Next is this Murad Skin Cleanser. Yeah, Essential C Skin Cleanser. So this is what that looks like. I'm not going to use this because it has a lot of ingredients in it and extracts, and I have way too many allergies, so I'm probably going to pass this along to a friend. But I know Murad's a great deal, and people really like it. It's a higher end, and you get a decent size. So I definitely know a few of my friends who are super into skincare, so I'm going to give that to one of them. And then next is this 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. Pretty. Alright, that's cool. Very interesting. Good size bottle too, I like. I'm reading the ingredients, and I've noticed the ingredients are very similar to the Ipsy 10 that I absolutely love, the Miracle Leave-In. The only thing that's not in it is the sunflower oil. That's the only thing that's missing, right? Yeah, because it even has the hydrolyzed silk. So, yeah, that's the only thing that's missing is the sunflower oil. So, I'm excited to try this out and see how this works, because, you know, you never know. And that's a nice bottle, too. Is this glass or is this plastic? Alright, it is plastic. It's just really hard plastic. Alright. But yeah, so a spray. I'm definitely going to use this for my hair. The Roller Lash. I love this. Love the brush. Can't wait. I do have this already, but it is amazing. Ciate London knows how to do really great highlighters. I'm going to pass this along. And the Murad, it's a great deal. But there's definitely extracts in here I'm allergic to, but I'm going to pass this along. But this is a great deal. I know Murad's really expensive, especially at like Ulta and stuff. So, and it's, look at, that's really, like, that's big. So, I think that's a great deal. So, I'm really happy with my Ipsy bag. And I really think the bag is so cute. Like, oh, it's so nice. And it's like, oh, coral. And I just can't wait to use it. I just think it's beautiful. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye.